Yeah, hello. My name is Nana Boateng. Welcome to today's Highlife guitar lessons. Big house to all my friends. It's quite some time we met, and there are some few requests that I have to redress. Grofo bin mo busa busa nyuma ese ehwe na yebo. Ene nyumu wi eye Oman ADWO. Yinua Pius. And I say yenhwe introduction no na yes. So on this note, if you are a new member on my channel, just hit on the subscribe button. Big ups to all the guys who are teaching Highlife guitar online. Brother Kev, senior mine, Reverend Sprat. You are doing great job. Sammy lead. You are doing a good job. God bless you, country girl, and all the other guys. Big house to you. So let's begin today's lesson. Today's lesson is Oman ADWO. The original key is key G. So let's go to the guitar board. It's like this. A G. I am playing G, C, and then D. Okay, so at G, I'm not going to play the full board like this. So I'm starting from the Mi. Okay. Again. Then you come to the Re, which is A minor. Okay. Then you go to D major like this. Then you come to the Re A minor. Then you come to G. As me di mericado do, my make a tree net here say me say me bo mi so do mi so do mi so. Then fa la re, okay, fa la re ti re so re ti re so fa la re do mi so do. Ade chere na for mo minia. Let's take it once again. Starting from the Mi, then you go to the Re, Fa La Re Ti Re so Ti Fa La Re Do Mi so do. Mpanifo kra se aboso mo anim ye kono mprensa. So let's try another the third time. Okay. Mi so do mi so fa la re ti re so ti fa la re do mi so do. That is the introduction. So very well organized. Then the guitarist played this lick. It's quite unfortunate my guitar is not up to that fret. That is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The 22nd fret. The guitarist played that lick over there. Okay. Then okay, ntiyenko mi ti do. Is it mi or re? It's re ti do ti la ti so la so fa so something like that. Why? And if you want to play copyright, it's not easy. You have to open your ears. Something like this. That is what I heard. Okay. Then the rhythm continues. Something like that. And then make us a guitar and me to back air ball rhythm, number air yenny monument. You don't know say whether you are playing the licks or you are playing the rhythms. Okay. So the guitarist also in some point the guitarist also played this. La do ti do ti la ti la so fa so. Something like this. So just like this, try and then listen to the song. You can do it. It's a song from Nana Ampadu, and then there is a solo somewhere. Something like this. Nina say, try listening to the song. You can identify all these things, and then you play. I'm just giving you a guideline. I am trying to give you the guideline. Listen to the song, you can play. So let's play along with the song and let's see whether we can. Alright, so it's quite complicated when you are trying to learn two people playing lead guitar in one particular song. So what I will advise is, this is not for beginners, this is for advanced players. Please, my dear advanced players, Brother Pius, Danso, James and the others, please listen to the song and then you can learn all the licks and the others yourself. I'm just giving you the guidelines, because try it. You don't know whether you are to play the rhythm or you have to play the licks, because there are two people who play the guitar in it. So choose one, whether you play the rhythm or you play the licks. All right, that's what I'll advise you on this song. So on this note, if you are a beginner and you want to learn some of these things, please take your time. It is not your level right now. When your ear opens, when you open your ears, when your ears become well open, then we begin to learn some of these things. Intermediate players try and then learn the chord progressions. I play something like that. This one, intermediate player, you can play. And if you are watching the video and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Ade kokko bi na ho na ya subscribe no. Nya so why? Go se beda ni tuntum. Na adoma bi aba. Na adoma no mia so a. No mia oh. What you say be ya. Video bi a me upload to YouTube bi a no onsa ebeka. Enti I know say this lesson not there is quite for intermediate and advanced learners, so bear with me. Brother Pius James, you made this request, so find a song, Nana Ampadu song, listen, and then with these guidelines you can also play. We will meet next time for beginner lessons, gospel. We have not finished with the gospel and then the worship. We will meet next time with the Highlife guitar worship 3. Thank you.